Hey guys, XCXL here to show you guys the Uncharted Territory map. It is a very common map today. There are a couple people that play on YouTube, for example, Etho's Lab, and let's get started. There's rules over here, then there's some additional information. There's this stuff talking about wool. The whole game objective is to find wool. I don't know what it's called. It's some sort of thingy that I don't know about at all. So, I was already playing this, and I went into that area over there, and that was a complicated son of a... Okay, anyways, I had to restart my world because I died about 1,000,000 times in there. There is wool, I caught it, but I died and I couldn't get it back. My items despawned too fast, so I just had to restart it. I'm guessing this is a place to go into. It's water. But yes, the main objective is to play Minecraft normally, get your resources, and head into the temples. But think about Minecraft on difficulty hard. Like, think about Minecraft on hard difficulty. Playing on the hard difficulty is pretty hard, right? Am I right or am I wrong? But think about that and multiply that times 10, and you get this. And recommendations, have it on easy. That's what I'm recommending right now, because you have to be a pretty good gamer to... You have to be a pretty good Minecraft gamer to just beat the game in general on easy. And if... Is that a floating block? And if you beat it on hard difficulty, then I don't know, you must be notch or something. But yeah, I'm gonna collect some resources here, because I want to actually get ready for that fight. It also says if you're going to use like TMI or creative, switch over to creative and fly out. There's nothing going to be up there except ugly views and floating block, I guess. There are about, I don't know, I didn't even really know this much about this. Kind of just watch Etho's Lab play it. But there are multiple temples where you need to go get the wool in. And I think the wool counts as things. Ooh, this is pretty good right here. I can use some protection. Wooden sword, no thank you. There's a sword down in that temple that I was in. It was a better sword. It was sharpness, and it was iron sword. It was an enchanted sword, and it was enchanted pretty good. But still not good enough to fight off all the monsters that's from. So, that's the temple over there, so I think I'll just go and get to it right now. I hear skeletons. Alright. Doing a little parkour here, and I'm not good at that. Never good at parkour, ever. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright, we're getting somewhere here. We're getting somewhere. I don't have a bow though, so that really doesn't do much good for me. Wait, what? No, that's just close. No. No! Get back up there right now. You get back up there right now. Oh, it looks like there's something I missed. Well, that has got nothing. Oh, Why am I so stupid? Try to not drop in these holes. Alright, there's a lot of zombies in this place, and I don't want to fight their faces. Alright, nope. Oh, wait, whoa. Alright, you guys want to dance? No, I don't want to dance with you. Sorry. Don't want to dance. Nope. I'm gonna try to open this now. I need to go back and get that sharpness sword. What? Ow! I'm gonna go back into that other temple and get that sword. Hopefully a spider doesn't kill me, but the creeper was actually helping me before when I went in to get the treasure chest and went inside the treasure chest. There's a creeper helping me. He blew up all the mobs and he blew up the mob spawners, so let's just hope the creeper does that again, but doesn't completely kill me. Alright, that is one big ass slime. I'm gonna go over and kill it. No! Broke my sword on it. Damn it. You little creatures. Alright. Break this right now. Yep, I was watching one of them big YouTubers like Ethelzad. I was watching him play this, and he got into the nether or something. I don't even know. Because this place does not look it. This whole thing looks entirely different than what he was playing. But the way the thing looks is kind of the same, but never mind, you guys don't even know what I'm saying. Alright, collect it. Hurry. Sweet, I got out with no damage. That was totally different from the last time. Ah, there's some survivor. Alright. I think I should get a chest, break open a chest, and just take it along with me. Or maybe I should just keep some of my stuff in this chest instead of doing that. That's kind of stupid. Alright, I'll keep this in there. I don't need much of this stuff, and I don't even know why I have cobblestone. Probably from a creeper, I'm guessing. Take some torches out. Don't need that. Kinda need this. Don't need this. No, I don't really need all this cobblestone, I think. Don't need that. Don't need... Maybe I might. Alright, now mobs are gonna start spawning. That is not what I want. Why does my hunger go so fast? I hope he gives me more food. That's all I'm saying. I just hope I get more food. Ah, more parkour. Don't know how this works. Oh, hey now. No. No. Alright. Alright, I got this. Man, I don't have this. I don't got this with the crap. Should just gone around the other way, maybe? I'm just guessing. Just guessing. Alright, you can fuck off right now. I really hate mobs. And when I encounter them, I die. Oh, you... What? What is this? Making me waste all my blocks. Alright, that's all there is a creeper? Huh. I'm not scared of you. Alright, I'm scared. Alright, I don't know how mobs spawn, but I don't want to know. I don't care, I just want to get through here. Alright, there's a floating block over there. Oh, there's a floating island. Maybe this is what it just talks about. What is this? No, really, man, what the heck is this? Intersection, road start. Maybe like the wolf. Oh. Does this mean I have to go grab my chest? Yeah, I think that's what it means. Well, of course you would have too much say. Oh, you want your way, because it is boom, what you say. Uh-oh. Alright, there's a lot of spiders down there. I got this. Nothing can stop me now. Nothing's gonna stop me. I gotta get to my spawn before they kill me. Nothing's gonna stop me. Nothing's gonna stop me. These spiders and skeletons chasing me. They're chasing me down. Chasing me down because I forgot to bring a crafting table. And I remember that I need a bed to make. And I also remember that something I shouldn't be doing is this, cause I'm gonna lose everything, because I'm not good with parkour. I was never that good at parkour and I suck, but now you're in my way. Mobs, spiders, skeletons, zombies, endermen, creepers, blowing up all my shit. Where you think you're going, creeper? Hey, I just met you, so please don't blow up. Really stop it. Fuck off! You fucking pieces of worthless pieces of shit! Alright, kill me at the spawn at least. Kill me over here. Come on. Come on, follow me. Follow me, guys. Kill me around here. Ain't so bad if you kill me over here. Yeah, kill me. Kill me. See you over there. With all my stuff. With all my stuff, man. Oh, fuck me. No. Can you at least blow up some of the mobs? Or the skeletons? The motherfuckers just keep following me around. They're stalking me, man. Hey, I just met you. This is crazy. Ow. You blew me up. Why? You still didn't get rid of the fucking skeletons. I hate them damn things. No, thank you. I'm just gonna make my way over here. Nothing's bad here. You wanna go, bitch? I'll fucking kick your ass. Alright, now what? God, what is with you fucking pieces of crap? I don't like you. Just kill me. Just get it over with. Now I can kill you, bitch. Hurry up and grab all my shit. Oh, no, don't you fucking see me. Don't you freaking see me. I don't want you to see me. Alright, I need to get that place. But I just can't. It's gonna take longer than I thought. And longer than I expected. Can I set time? Oh, dang it. I have caps lock as my thing. Set time. Flash help. Flash help! Alright then, if I hold shift, please. Yes. Flash help. Slash set time. Oh, you think you got me? Oh, you think you got me? You're wrong. You're wrong. You're really, really wrong. I need time to be set, but I'm getting pretty upset, and I'm not doing like this. But grandma, what? Dipshit, help. Nah, two. Help two. Oh, you fucking pieces of shit tards. Help! 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 Thought there was more. Knee. Health. 100. Oh, it actually worked. I didn't think that actually worked. Me fly. No. Wait. Oh, I'm just saying that. Damn it. Can't fly. I believe I can fly. I believe creepers can go die. And all these mobs are annoying the fuck out of me. Oh no. Run. Run, folks, run. I'm done running, bitch. I know I'm not supposed to do one-man army, but I die anyways if I try running. I play by the rules, and I get killed. That's how shit works for me. So you know what? Screw it, I'm one-man army here. One-man army this whole thing. Yeah, you just started on... Oh, please don't sound... Oh. Don't not... You're the last thing I need to deal with. With leather armor. Alright, hurry. You got this, man. You got these. Alright, yep. Climb. Build. Fucking retard, you build. You take that block, and you build. You build like you never have before. Ugh. Screwed myself over. Okay. Alright, I'm getting there. Please tell me there's no mobs in there anymore, because I always seem to have luck when something goes wrong. Like, for instance, those mobs weren't there, but I forgot all my stuff at that one place, because I didn't think I forgot that I can place beds down and say, oh, you want to dance with me, don't you? Dance! Let's dance then. You know what, I danced with a gas once before? You want to know that? I danced with a gas on my Let's Play and posted it on YouTube. And you know what? You chickened out when you went behind something. Let's play episode 2. Let's play episode 2, cough cough. Alright, I'm gonna go to Miners Guild because that sounds a bit more friendly. And I'm running out of food, so let's hope they got cookies or melons or something. Yes, Miners Guild, whatever. No, I can't even sprint now. Crap. Wait, can I make a bed? Oh, the horror! Look how fast my hunger bar goes. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Enchanted leather armor. Open it then. Dang. I need some protection. I need a lot of stuff. Don't need this, don't need this, don't need this anymore. Alright, now I am better equipped for dangers in the night. This is a very bad guild, if you ask me. This is crap for a guild. Oh, what's down here? Oh great, it's not friendly. Can't even sprint towards you guys. I just can't sprint. I just can't sprint to my doom anymore. Why am I hearing something getting broken? What's getting broken? Enderman? You doing that? Oh. Am I the only one that's hearing that? If only I had X-ray, I could figure it out. I'm gonna die. Is there something in here? Oh, yes! Yes! Yes, I'll take all of this. I need to cook it, thank God I have charcoal. Whoa, what the f— What? What? Okay, that's a little bit too much for me to put in. Thanks for watching, but I gotta pause it. See you next time. Are you fucking kidding me?